Have you ever wondered why your energy and vitality start to decline after the age of 60? Why does sleep become more difficult, your muscles weaken, and your mood become less than it used to be? You might think it's age, but the truth is there's a tiny mineral that's been quietly depleted in your body, and it's stealing your natural testosterone. It's zinc, an element that most men over 60 are lacking without even realizing it. Today, we're going to explore the hidden link between zinc and testosterone, and why the right supplementation can revive your manly energy, sleep, and emotions. Stay until the end, because you'll be surprised by what science has shown. Backhand index pointing right before starting. Please subscribe to the Wellness Roots Journey channel. Click like and share, so I have more motivation to release new videos every day to help you live healthier, more naturally. After age 60, men's testosterone can drop by 30–40%. This decline affects not only physiology, but also emotions, memory, and muscle strength. But what's scarier is that most men don't even notice it, because the decline happens silently. Day by day, you start to lose motivation, gain weight around the waist, and have trouble sleeping. And interestingly, many studies show that zinc deficiency is the factor that triggers this process faster. Zinc is the key that helps the pituitary gland and testicles produce natural testosterone. When you lack zinc, your body loses the ability to maintain optimal hormone levels. Research from Wayne State University and the NIH, National Institute of Health, shows that, when men are zinc deficient, their testosterone levels drop by nearly 75% in just a few months. Conversely, when zinc is supplemented, testosterone increases by nearly 2 times in just 6 weeks. This is not advertising. It is the result of real experiments. Published in international medical journals, zinc acts as a biological switch, activating the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, which helps produce natural male sex hormones. Without zinc, the entire system goes into hibernation. Have you noticed that after 60, your sleep becomes lighter and you wake up more tired? Part of the reason is a lack of zinc, because this mineral helps stabilize melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. When you lack it, you will sleep irregularly, and your body will not regenerate enough energy at night. In addition, low testosterone reduces dopamine, making you lose interest in life, easily tired, and irritable. A negative cycle begins from something seemingly small, just a lack of zinc. Decreased libido, difficulty sleeping, rapid hair loss, brittle nails, loss of taste, poor appetite, dry skin, slow wound healing, fatigue, difficulty concentrating. If you are experiencing at least 2 of these, there is a high chance your body is severely deficient in zinc. The good news is, with just a few adjustments to your diet and the right supplements, you can significantly improve your testosterone and energy levels in just a few weeks. Zinc is found in the highest amounts in oysters, beef, eggs, pumpkin seeds, and green beans. Oysters top the list. Just 2 oysters can provide your entire day's supply. If you're a vegetarian or don't eat much seafood, be careful, as you're more likely to be deficient. Adding some roasted pumpkin seeds or lean red meat to your meals can make a big difference. How you eat it is even more important. Steaming or baking retains more zinc than frying. According to the NIH, men over 60 should get 11 milligrams of zinc per day, but not all zinc supplements are well absorbed. Zinc picolinate or zinc citrate are recommended because they are easy to digest, and be careful, don't overdo it. Too much zinc can cause copper imbalances. So, choose a supplement with a good zinc-copper ratio, 10:1. Zinc is not only linked to testosterone, but also plays a role in brain function. It helps transmit nerve signals, improves memory, reduces anxiety, and increases concentration. A European study found that older men who supplemented with zinc were more alert, less tired, and had faster reflexes. Zinc helps protect the lining of blood vessels, the part that determines blood flow in the body. Zinc deficiency causes blood vessels to become inflamed and stiffen faster, increasing the risk of high blood pressure and stroke. Interestingly, testosterone and heart health are directly linked. Increasing testosterone levels properly help stabilize blood pressure, improve blood circulation, and exercise endurance. As we age, our bones become weaker, but few people know that zinc is a mineral that helps rebuild bone cells. Zinc deficiency accelerates bone loss, especially when testosterone is low. Adequate zinc intake helps maintain strong bone density and reduces knee and shoulder pain, a common problem in men over 60. One little-known benefit is that zinc helps boost your immune system. After age 60, your body becomes more susceptible to illness, and zinc is a natural shield that helps protect you from colds, flu, and chronic inflammation. With regular supplementation, you can see the difference: fewer illnesses, better sleep, and a brighter mind. As you get older, your stomach acid decreases, making it harder to absorb minerals. This is why you can eat enough and still be deficient in zinc. The solution is to combine zinc with vitamin B6 or magnesium, as these help to better absorb and transport zinc into the blood. Taking more than 40 milligrams of zinc per day can cause nausea, diarrhea, or temporary loss of taste. Always remember, enough is best, more is not better. Zinc supplementation is a delicate journey, not a dose race. The body needs time to regulate itself and regenerate testosterone naturally. If you maintain the right supplementation, you will start to see deeper sleep, less waking up in the middle of the night, more toned muscles with light exercise, refreshed spirit, confidence and enthusiasm, lower belly fat, increased endurance when walking or working outdoors. These changes are slow but sustainable and natural. Now you know the secret behind the link between zinc and testosterone after 60. Don't let your body continue to lack this precious mineral. Start small today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Wellness Roots Journey, where we'll discover more natural secrets to help you live healthier and stronger every day. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.